Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. With the social pack feature, you can actually create 30 images, which is actually the whole organic content for the month. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys. I know that a lot of you have supplement brands, so today with AdRoast we're gonna work on a supplement brand. I chose one that I know, it's called Feel. They have many products, very good branding, so we're gonna work with that. Let's start first of all, let's click on this product over here, and let me tell you how you can work with AdRoast on all of that. Let's go here. We can click on generate ads. We are gonna work with images. You're gonna take this one, and we're gonna take fetch details. So it's fetching the details from the product. We can take also this image over here. This one is just how it looks. It's okay. We can take all of them. It's gonna take the information. Don't forget that if you're having a Shopify store, we can take all of this information without you having to add anything. Press continue. You can choose to either pick skip over here or pick one of our templates. For this one, I went to food actually, and I wanted to test how it's gonna look with this one, pomegranate and cherries plus, for example. So this is the one I picked, and let's see the results that I had after generating. So we have generated this one here. As you can see, I'm using this preset. I'm gonna add more presets about supplements. I do have now presets, but they're more focused to having a human over there. So we're gonna do more presets that are gonna be focused more on the product. So here, unlock your natural radiance, this one, we have this one, and we have this one, which has been generated. Let me see if this is actually accurate. And this is how the drink looks. Yes, this is how the drink looks. So amazing. Of course, you can improve further over here. You can add social proof. You can do whatever you want. But we have some very good ads and some very good base. Let's try to take another product from this brand. Let's try to take this one. Let's copy the URL. Let's come here, generate ads. Let's go to images. Let's put the URL. Let's fetch details again. And this time we're gonna use another template. Okay, let's continue. Don't forget that you can add here your social proof, all of that, okay? As I said, I have stuff here for supplements, but I'm gonna add more, which is gonna be more about, not so much on the gym and stuff, it's gonna be more about focusing on the product, okay? So this is more about nutrition, this is about being sick or whatever, this is about the gym and all of that, this is about maybe insomnia and all of that. I need to add more stuff to it. For this one, I want to go to beauty and actually take something from here, or maybe go to food, not this one, fragrances. I would like to take this one, okay? And just test what is gonna happen. So the results that we're having here is this generation over here. Obviously we're using this preset. The preset is not necessarily that you're gonna get this product like this, okay? It's gonna be about the aesthetics, the colors, the lights, and all of that. We have this one over here, which I really like, to be honest with you. This one over here. Again, we can go with AI edit and we can do different things. Let's say, for example, that I have seen another product which is similar, this one. Let's say, for example, that the packaging has changed, okay? And that for some reason now we have a new packaging and it's not anymore this one, okay? So we can click, by the way, we can click improve further. We can add reviews and all of that based on the pillars and the roast. I would suggest you to not test anything that's gonna get less than 50, but here with the roast you can actually see which ones are having better chances of you testing them. You can download, you're gonna get a 4x5, 1x1, 9x16 creative, so that you can be able to use it on different placements on your ads. But let's say that you wanna play more with your ad. Let's say that you want to do further more things. You can click on the AI edit over here. And for example, let's say that we are having another packaging because the packaging has changed. And I'm going to take this one over here. I'm going to save it so that I can be able to use it. Click AI edit. Okay, so here we can replace object over here. For example, we can take our new, replace packaging of the product with the reference image packaging. Okay, let's do that. Okay, as you can see, we have replaced it over here with this one. It's adding the hand, most likely because of that. Okay, so let's erase object, remove the hand, not the hand, the hand that is touching product. Okay, so this is perfect now. It's already done. Okay, now let's say that we want to write something else. Okay, my hair routine elevated. Let's say that we want to change something with the text. Okay, so replace routine with schedule. Replace routine with schedule. Let's do that. Perfect. It's doing it, as you can see. And now let's say that we want to imply that you have to use this product at night, which is not the case over here. This is why it actually made images on the morning. But let's say that you have to use this product before you sleep. Okay. So let's try to change the image into an environment which is gonna be night. Okay. So I want the lighting of the room so I want the lighting of the room and the lighting mood to imply that it is nighttime before sleep. Okay, let's see what we're gonna see. Amazing, if you ask me. So we have this now. So now it's actually we see the light, we see that, and now we can say that this is a product that you can use at night. Now, one last thing that I wanna test, since we have done the AI edit, we have done all of the different things, is if we go here on generate, and let's try to actually generate an ad. Let's try to go with an image. Fetch details, it's again this one product that I want to do, and this time I don't want to use any template. You can press continue and template preset, however you want to call it, and you can press skip over here. Okay, so if we do that, let's see what we're getting. So even if you don't want to use a preset, you can actually have very good creatives. Okay, so this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. Okay, and then with AI edit you can do whatever you want to do and all of that, but still you can get very good variations just by how it's going to understand your product from your URL. Obviously, I'm saying again that you can just take and upload over here just a product with a picture with your phone if you don't have the money to do video shooting or whatever, or photo shooting. You just take the picture and it's gonna create again ads for you. So we covered also the supplements. I'm gonna add more presets for sure here for supplements that are focusing more on the product. For example, this could be one of the presets, for example, okay? And many more things that you can do with supplements. A lot of people have supplements. Don't forget that you can use AdRoast also for other niches. This is another video doing it for another brand on another completely different niche. I will see you guys on the next one.